today I'm going to explain you exclamatory type of direct indirect speech. This is exclamatory. First of all, I want to tell you how to identify exclamatory of sentences. When we will see this sign of exclamation, this is called the exclamatory sign or sign of exclamation. So these type of the sentences are called exclamatory. When there is what the words which will the sentence which will show joy, sorrow, surprise, anger, regret, contempt, etc. These are called what? Exclamatory type of sentences. Then how to change this? Before this I will tell you exclamatory adjective is here what? When it will what? The exclamatory adjective is there, that is what we will use here, and exclamatory adverb is here the how. So how to change that is like what a painting, these sentences will be there. So it is based on the surprise. What a painting, how beautiful. So these are the exclamatory type of sentences. How to change? For example, I am giving you example here. She said, what a beautiful sight. What a beautiful sight. And here we will use exclamatory sign. It means someone is surprised to see that sight. So here she is saying, she said what a beautiful sight. How to change? These type of the sentences where we will see, it will change into exclaim with joy, exclaim with sorrow, exclaim with anger, exclaim with surprise. If the surprise is there, exclaimed. This word we will use, and with that which which word is there, like joy, sorrow, surprise. If the sorrow is there, then we will use here exclaim with sorrow. If the joy is there, so we will use exclaim with joy. If anger is there, exclaim with anger. If surprise is there, we will use exclaim with that is surprise. So here we will change this into she exclaimed. What is there? What a beautiful sight. So here I wonder. She is wondrous to see. So she exclaimed with wonder. Then we will use to remove inverted comma that. So here we will change here into it was a beautiful sight. Because first from change into the what we will use that was word into the second form. So ism change into was word. So next is there, here we will use they said. Now joy one sentence is there. Hurrah, we have won the match. So here we use exclamatory sign. Then this word we will remove from here because it is the word showing the word joy. This word is word showing, we are observing, this is showing the word joy. So they said or they exclaimed with joy. So hurrah word is there. So it is what this, it is showing the joy. They exclaim with joy that we it means they we have used, and it will change to according to the pronoun, that they has changed into have changed into had won the match. This is a rule, has changed into had, and we will use here exclaim with joy. One more example. Now the sorrow one example is there. The banker said, alas. Alas is word that is word used for the sorrow. Alas, I am ruined. So here we have use here what exclamatory sign. So how to change this? The banker, because a lost word is showing the sorrow. So we use here the banker exclaimed with sorrow that banker is the word third person. So here we use he. Is Emma changed into was or he was ruined. So here I have given the example of the joy, sorrow, surprise, any other any other sentence that is based on these type of the words we will change exclaim with. After the word which is based on these words we will change into the word exclaim with wonder, joy, surprise, anger, applause like this. So one more example is there here. Yes, one more is the interjection. Interjection like oh, alas, a, hurrah. These are called the interjection. These words are interjection. It will also start from like alas. I have given you example here. Hurrah. I have given the example here. Oh, that oh example I am going to give you. He said, oh, enough. Oh, enough. So how to change? He exclaimed with disgust because oh that he has told that was it's so sick and disgusting. So disgust what we have used here. He exclaimed with disgust that to remove inverted comma we will use that. He exclaimed with disgust that it was enough. So like this, and at last we will remove the exclamatory sign. Full stop is used in place of exclamation mark here. Okay, so these are the sentences that is based on the what exclamatory type of direct and indirect speech. Thank you so much.